Alright, so basically, I know it's been a minute since I recorded my last YouTube video. It's probably like a year ago or whatever. But now that I'm back, I got some pretty big news, I guess. We're going to Germany. Yo, what's up, guys? Oh shit, this shit's echoing like a bitch. But yeah. It's been a couple of days since I filmed those last videos. Hey, let me stop. So those clips that you guys just saw, those were like filmed like shit about like a month ago. that proves how long I've been trying to make this fucking video. It's taken a while because like I've just been in my head a lot about making this shit, and I figured that like the longer I fucking make this shit, the harder it is gonna be to post. So like, fuck it, I'm just gonna say whatever I gotta say, just get it over with. So basically, shit, it's been like 2 months since I fucking moved over here, and like, I just been chilling or whatever. Oh, and I started a brand. If you guys want to follow the brand, subscribe to the YouTube channel at Sim. I think that's just all it is. It's just Sim with the brand star and shit. And follow us on Instagram at Sim Apparel. Just Sim Apparel, no space, no dots, no whatever, or all that shit. Just follow us there. All updates, the websites and the Instagram link and shit. I'll put it in the description and all that. Go cop some shit if you really like it. This is out there. Fucking, I love the city and shit. But yeah, that's basically it. Back on YouTube, making more videos. Look out for that. Peace.